All right, everyone. First one up is going to be my wife's. This is stock GT exhaust. You can see they do have a nice tone from the factory. Let's go over to the one that I already did the exhaust on. You can tell, pretty deep, not very loud also. The only downside to it is that it does have a little bit of drone inside, around 3,000 RPMs, but it quickly goes away. It's only a small range, maybe 1,000 RPMs between 3 and 4, where it's really predominant on the inside. But I recommend going this way. Depending where you go, it's only going to cost you a few $100s. And the guys did a really top-notch exhaust on it. Not very basic. So as long as you have a trusted exhaust place to get your exhaust done, I'm sure it'll come out very good. So I'm gonna do a little revs so you guys can hear them. See what you think. So you still hear it crackle and pop from the exhaust, which makes it just sound so much meaner. They are sort of quick from the factory, but I will have some fun with these. They handle awesome, and for the money, I mean, it's just a great buy. You could buy a Honda Civic Si or Cobalt SS or something like that, and they're fast. Honda's gone downhill as far as what I think is quality. I'm a Honda guy myself. Really always liked Hondas, but it always seems like their cars just got cheap on the inside, and I don't like that. Engines are great and stuff. I was gonna buy one, but it turned me off, and I just don't like that. This Dart feels like it is solid. Everything has a good quality feel. For $18,000, I mean, I have heated seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, XM radio, dual climate control, remote start, passive entry without having to take the key out of my pocket. I mean, it's just so many things that I got versus $26,000 for SI. So that's just my thing. They're great cars, good and quiet going down the road, solid, and now they do have a lot of upfits. So just stay tuned and like and subscribe. Thanks.